Good morning, students. This video is based on finding equation of tangent and normal. Generally, let us say the curve is like this. At this point, I have drawn a tangent. Normal to the tangent line is called normal. Perpendicular to the tangent line is called normal. And this line is called tangent. Are we clear? Whether it is a tangent or a normal, we are talking about straight line or else just line. So equation of any line is y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. Clear? Now let us say this point is given as x1 y1. How do I get m1? m1 is nothing but dy by dx. If you differentiate the curve equation and replace x by x1, you will get the value for m1. Am I clear with this? Now, how do you get equation of a normal? Even it's also a line, so it is y minus y1 equal to m times of x minus x1. The only difference between tangent and normal is if I differentiate, I got the slope of the tangent. But to get slope of the normal, you need to do m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So your m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. So equation of a normal is y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m1 into x minus x1. Whenever normal is being asked, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 should be done to find the slope of normal. Once you found the slope, directly replace it here. If it is tangent is asked, directly differentiate whatever slope you get, you need to place it over here. Am I clear? Equation of tangent or normal, first line will be same. The difference will come only in the slope. Slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. Whatever value you get here, directly place it. But whereas for the normal, this m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 should be considered. Find out m2, then you need to replace. Difference is only in the slope. Am I clear? What is the difference in finding equation of tangent and a normal? Let me explain this with the help of an example. Find equation of tangent and normal to the curve at x equal to 2. Let us find the slope of the tangent first, which is dy by dx, which is d by dx of 2x square plus 8 into x power minus 2 minus 9. I have brought this x square to the numerator. Now this gets applied to each of it. 2x square is 4x, 8 into x power minus 2 will become minus 16 into x power minus 3. And for minus 9 it is 0. At which point do I need the slope? I need the slope at 2 when x equal to 2. So replace x by 2. So it becomes 4 into 2 minus 16 into 2 power minus 3. So here it is 8 minus 2, which will give me 6. Am I clear? So my slope of the tangent equal to m1, if I assume it is 6. So what is my equation of tangent? Y minus 2 equal to 6 times. Sorry. I even need to find out y1 also. So let us do then. When x is 2, how much will y be? It will be 2 into 2 whole square plus 8 by 2 square minus 9. How much will I get? 2 into is 8 plus 2 minus 9. So 10 minus 2 I get 1. So now my point is 2 comma 1. So equation is y minus 1 equal to 6 times x minus 2. Am I clear? So y minus 1 equal to 6x minus 12. So y equal to 6x minus 11 is the equation of tangent. Now to find equation of normal, I should do m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So 6 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m2 equal to minus 1 by 6. So my equation is y minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 6 times of x minus 2. Whether tangent or normal, the difference will come only in the slope. So I send 6 to this side. So it becomes 6y minus 6 equal to, with minus 1 I am multiplying. So it becomes minus x plus 12. So it is bring x this side. So x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Wait, it's not 12. It's only 2, right? So plus 2 means it becomes minus 8 equal to 0. This is my equation of a normal. Even if you leave it y equal to mx form or you bring all to one side, it doesn't make any difference. You will get marks for any of it. Am I clear? Whether for tangent or normal, the difference is only in the slope. For normal, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1 must and should be considered. For tangent, you get it directly and substitute it directly. Look at next sum. Find equation of tangent and normal to the curve when x equal to 0. Again, he gave me only the value for x. So what will be the value for y? To get the value for y, replace x equal to 0 in this. Minus 4 into 0 plus 1, which I get 1. So at 0 comma 1, I need to find equation of tangent and normal. If the y coordinate is given, then I don't need to substitute and find y. If it is not given, substitute x in this, get y. Clear so far? Now, equation of any line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. I need to find the slope for the tangent first. How do I get? Slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. It's a rule. Slope of tangent equal to dy by dx. How do I get that? By differentiating it. So d by dx of 3x cube plus x square minus 4x plus 1. So this gets applied to each of it. So how much will I get on 3x cube? I get 9x square. For x square it is 2x. For minus 4x it is minus 4. And for 1 it is 0. Slope for at which point do I need? When x is 0 I need. So replace x equal to 0. I get minus 4. So my equation of tangent now is y minus 1 equal to minus 4 times of x minus 0. So y minus 1 equal to minus 4x, or 4x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 is equation of tangent. Is it clear? Now how do I get equation for normal? If I put the heading normal. In normal you always need to consider m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. What is the slope of tangent line which we got? Minus 4. So minus 4 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m2 equal to minus 1 by minus 4, which is 1 by 4. Is it clear? So my normal equation now is y minus 1 equal to 1 by 4 times of x minus 0. Difference is coming only in the slope. Here y minus 1 x minus 0 is same. So send 4 that side, it becomes 4y minus y. 4y minus 4 equal to x. So it becomes x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0 is my equation of normal. So for any normal this should be considered. That is what I am stressing on. Look at next sum now. Find equation of tangent and normal to the curve at minus 1 comma 6. X and y both are given. I don't need to find the y as we did for the earlier sums. Directly the slope of tangent is nothing but dy by dx. So which is d by dx of. I cannot find slope directly here, so I split it. So it becomes x square by x minus 5 by x. No doubts in this, right? I have been doing this in trigonometry as well, even in earlier videos of differentiation as well. So it becomes now x minus 5 into, take x to the top, x power minus 1. Now this applies to this and also to this. It becomes 1 minus of minus plus 5 into x power minus 2. Am I clear? Now slope at which point do I need? I need the slope when x is minus 1. So it will become 1 plus 5 into minus 1 power minus 2. So it is 1 plus 5, which is 6. So what is my tangent equation? is y minus 6 equal to slope is 6 into x minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so y minus 6 equal to 6x plus 6 implies 6x minus y minus plus 12 equal to 0 is tangent. Now normal if I want means I must and should do m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So m1 is 6, 6 into m2 equal to minus 1. So my slope of the normal is minus 1 by 6. So equation is y minus 6 equal to minus 1 by 6 times of x minus of minus plus 1. Send the 6 this side, 6y minus 36 equal to minus x minus 1. Now bring all to the one side. So how much do I get? Bring all to the one side, it becomes x plus 6y minus 35 equal to 0. This is equation of a normal. So normal, this step is must and should. You should not miss this. This is the only difference between tangent and normal. If you consider here also 6, both the equations are same. So this step is making the difference. Look at next sum now. Find equation of tangent and normal to the curve 20 by x square plus 1 at 3 and 2. So now first I need to find slope of the tangent which is equal to dy by dx. Always slope or gradient equal to dy by dx. Write 5 times. So now it is d by dx of 20 by x square plus 1. Directly I cannot differentiate it. I will take this x square plus 1 at the top and 20 outside. So x square plus 1 power minus 1. So now I need to assume this entire thing to be x. As in my earlier video we did. X power minus 1 is minus 1 into x power minus 2. Minus 1 into. In place of x, whatever you consider that needs to be written at last into d by dx of in place of x whatever you considered. So it becomes minus 20 into x square plus 1 power minus 2 into applies to this and also to this. How much will it become? So it becomes 2x. When it is applied on 1 it is 0. So now at which point do I need the slope? I need the slope when x is 3. From here I am getting that x value. So it becomes minus 20 into 9 plus 1 power minus 2 into 2 into 3. Is it clear? So it becomes how much? So minus 20 into 10 power minus 2 is so how much will the slope become now? 20 by 10 power minus 2 is 100 into 6. Cancel 0 0. It will become minus 6 by 5. So equation of my tangent is y minus 2 equal to minus 6 by 5 times of x minus 3. In the slope, whenever you have a fraction, send 5 to the other side as I told you in coordinate geometry. So it becomes 5y minus 10 equal to multiply with minus 6x to this. So minus 6x plus 18. So 6x plus 5y, I took them to the other side. Minus 28 equal to 0 is equation of tangent. Clear so far? Now normal. For the normal you need to consider m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. How much is m1? Minus 6 by 5 into m2 equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled, so my m2 equal to 5 by 6. Am I clear? So equation of normal now becomes y minus y1 2 equal to 5 by 6 times of x minus x1 is 3. Fraction, send it to the other side. 6y minus 12 equal to multiply this with 5. So how much you get? 5x minus 15. So bring it here. So 5x minus 6y minus 3 equal to 0 is the equation of a normal. For normal, if you consider this one thing, rest all will come correct. Am I clear? Only the slope is the difference between tangent line and normal line. Here minus 6 by 5 and here 5 by 6. That is only the difference.